Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the part 2 of the best car accident lawyers in USA. Okay, so Legal Finders helps you connect with best in class car accident attorney that service your area. We leverage our wide network of legal professionals and personal injury attorneys to make sure you get the best personal injury legal service your location has to offer, and you don't have to do a thing except contact us. If you are motorist who's been in a car accident and you have been medical expenses, lost wages, serious injuries, or experienced a wrongful death, what more is there to lose? By doing nothing, you miss out on the opportunity to receive a fair settlement and could get stuck with medical bills and other expenses. Insurance adjusters have been working on their side to ensure auto insurance claims are paid out of their advantage, not yours. Personal injury lawyers in your area can help you get maximum compensation from your car accident case, even if the fault party doesn't have insurance coverage or has low coverage in their insurance policy. Call the phone number for legal finders today or fill out our contact form for a free case evaluation, and we can put you in touch with the best law office to walk you through the claims process and handle your personal injury lawsuits. It costs nothing to reach out to legal finders. Okay, so get connected with an attorney in our network who has years of experience, so we can help you connect with an attorney who understand how to get fair compensation for your car wreck claim. Okay, US car crash statistics over 2009. The United States Department of Transportation released the following findings: traffic fatalities rose in 2013, passengers, vehicle occupants, and for instance, no charge. Okay, so that's it for the video. See you in next video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.